Hey, my doll babies, I want you to get into this sleeve that I'm about to do. I hope y'all remember this wig. It was actually braided, but I unraveled it and decided to do something new. I am using this good old shatourpro flat iron. I will drop that info in the description box. But look how flat and neat and silky that flat iron got my ponytail looking. But we're going to do this synthetic braid. I used a whole pack of synthetic hair, and we're going to attach that onto this ponytail. Okay, just continue watching. This did give me a little hassle because it got a little tangled, but I worked it out. So what you going to do, you don't want to start braiding it just like that. I decided to wrap hair around it first and then continue braiding, but you'll see that. Just continue watching. And you got to make sure that you're neat. Like, not neat, but take your time, because my braid didn't come out that neat, but it's pretty good. It's the first time I'm doing something like this anyway. I told y'all I'm going to be trying out some new things and doing things I ain't never do before. And this is definitely one of them. Just put it like this. Anything I put my mind to do, I can do it. So, yeah. When you braiding this synthetic hair, you want to make sure that it is neat. It will be neat as possible. But like I said, this is something I was just trying. I'm not going to keep on this ponytail forever or for a long time at all. So I just wanted to try it out. And boom. So now we're going to get into the install. Okay, let's get into the install. So, you know I'm using my good old 333 hair oil. As you can see, my hair just keep growing no matter how much I cut it. It was just like to my scalp like a few weeks ago. But anyway, I'm going to use that good old bold hold liquid gold to sleek my edges back. Okay. Then I'm going to blow dry that. As you can see, as much wigs as I wear, I still got my edges. Okay. That liquid gold be holding me down. I don't even have to wear no cap when I use this liquid gold. To each his own. I like to not wear a cap. Plus, my hair is like almost the same color as a cap, so it doesn't make no sense. So you're going to get your alcohol and you're going to clean around that residue. We're going to clean up that residue. I'm going to use tape in the back. I'm going to use tape. And that's all I'm using. I'm using just tape, y'all, in the back. No glue, no bow hole active, none of that. Just bow hole tape. I know I'm probably doing it crooked, but don't worry. It's going to be late. And here goes the wig. So, boom. Gonna slap that on like bada bing, bada boom. And as I'm talking to you, like, I did not sleep with no scarf, and my wig is still in place. But yo, this liquid gold, I don't even understand. This shit is like glue. Like, I slept with no scarf and my hair is still on. But anyway, we're not going to talk about that because y'all can't see it. Let's get into this right here. And like I said, all I got is tape on the back and liquid gold. Melting that lace. So right here, I realized that I still had some liquid gold on my, because I made a mess. So I just took some water and sprayed it. I didn't even have to use more liquid gold because all I needed was water. And look at that. Come on. Hey, look at that. That's it. That's all I'm using is water because I already got the liquid gold on my damn face because I was being a mess. But I cleaned it all up. Come on now. That liquid gold got me. That shit holds him. Anyway, I'm fixing the back up, making sure it's kind of laid. Because this is an old wig, the shit balding and all that. I just decided to play around with it. But yes. Yes, honey. Look at that. Look at that. Nice, cool slay. Real quick on this old ass wig. But yeah, I'm liking this ponytail. It's cute. I'm gonna have to do this again. But anyway, this is just something that I wanted to show y'all. Flamboyant touches done slayed again.